How to enable and disable the Allow Multiple feature within campaigns. In this video, we will review the Allow Multiple feature within your campaign configurations. This feature allows you to either enable or disable contacts or leads being allowed to go through the same campaign more than one time. There may be instances where you do want somebody to be able to go through the same campaign more than once, such as an appointment confirmation campaign if they have more than one appointment or if they book an appointment and cancel and reschedule. That person, you may want them to be able to go through the same campaign more than one time. However, there may be other times where you don't want somebody to go through the same campaign more than once. Using the Allow Multiple feature within campaigns will allow you to either enable or disable the access for a lead or contact to go through the same campaign more than one time. Let's take a look at how easy this is to set up. We'll start here in the Campaigns page and we'll choose a campaign. Either create a new campaign or edit an existing campaign. I'm going to click into this demo campaign for the sake of the video. Here in the top of the campaign page, you'll see Campaign Configuration, which you can click to drop down and expand some different settings. Towards the bottom of these settings, you will see by default this Allow Multiple is toggled off. I can toggle it on or back off, whatever I prefer. Continue scrolling down and click Save. So by toggling this on, the contact would be allowed to go through the campaign more than one time. By leaving it toggled off, the contact Allow Multiple would be off or disabled, so the contact would not be able to go through the same campaign more than one time. So by having it set this way, the contact could only go through this campaign one time. I'm going to save to confirm the changes, and the campaign has now been edited.